Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a benchmarking test comparison between Nokia 7 Plus and Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 or Redmi 5 Plus smartphone. Both of these devices, they are pretty much same in the hardware specs. Both of them got 6-inch Full HD screen, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, and 7 Plus comes with a Snapdragon 660 processor along with Adreno 512 GPU, while Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus or Redmi Note 5, it comes with Snapdragon 625 processor and Adreno 506 GPU. So in terms of hardware specs, Nokia 7 Plus is a bit better compared to Xiaomi here. But let's have a look on the benchmarking test scores and let's see how much difference we are going to get between these two smartphones. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are Entry benchmarking, Basemark Os 2, Basemark X, Geekbench 4 and Quadrant standard. We have already performed all of these tests and we are just going to have a look on the benchmarking test scores. So let's start it. So first of all, let's start with Quadrant standard, and Nokia 7 Plus scored 26,828 and Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus or Redmi Note 5 scored 22,078. So as you can see, the winner is Nokia 7 Plus here. Let's go back, let's have a look on benchmarking. So this time the difference is huge, nearly double. Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus scored 75,868 and Nokia 7 Plus scored 140,436. So as I said, the difference is huge this time. Nokia 7 Plus scored nearly twice of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. And if you have a look on the individual test scores, you can compare the test score result for CPU, GPU, UX and memory. You can see that in all of these tests, performance of Nokia 7 Plus is better compared to Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus or Redmi Note 5. So once again, the winner is Nokia 7 Plus. Let's have a look on Basemark Os 2. Nokia 7 Plus scored 2,376 and Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus scored 1,285. So once again, winner is Nokia 7 Plus and it scored nearly twice of what Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus or Redmi Note 5 scored. And once again, you can have a look on the individual test scores and you can compare it with Xiaomi smartphone here. In all of these tests, system, memory, graphics and web browsing, performance of Redmi 5 Plus is inferior compared to Nokia 7 Plus. So in Basemark Os 2, the winner is Nokia 7 Plus once again. Now let's have a look on Basemark X. It's a gaming benchmarking test, so basically it gives the idea about the gaming capability and the GPU performance of the device. We got better GPU in Nokia 7 Plus obviously, and it is visible in the score as well. So Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus scored 21,454 and Nokia 7 Plus scored 36,505. So once again, the winner is Nokia 7 Plus. And now let's have a look on the Geekbench 4, the last test for today. So in single core, Nokia 7 Plus scored 1,641 and Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus scored 873. And in multi-core, Nokia 7 Plus scored 5,946 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 scored 4,352. So in both of these tests, single core and multi-core, performance of Nokia 7 Plus is better compared to Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. So in this test as well, the winner is Nokia 7 Plus. So as we can see, overall the performance of Nokia 7 Plus is better with respect to Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus or Redmi Note 5, but you need to consider the price as well. Nokia 7 Plus cost nearly twice of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 here, and considering that, the performance of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is great here as well. But this is just a benchmarking test comparison. We will do a speed test very soon to see how good these two smartphones are going to perform in real life scenario, not only in the benchmarking test scores. So do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on videos like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.